Well, about 2 years ago, we built this building and we created an R&D facility, which you can see around me today. It's here to allow us to continue to innovate and to test and to move the industry forward and move Keystone forward. When we got this facility, it was great. I mean, it allowed us to accelerate the pace of innovation that we had going in our company and give us an area to be able to work out some solutions to common industry problems. It's just been fantastic to have a facility like this.
So the whole industry is really good at coming up with new floor plans, new features. Sometimes they miss some of the little things going on in the RV, like floor materials, for example. They just have always existed with a wood construction. We've kind of pulled back, questioned that, and said, can we do better? Key TV, for example. The industry's always just free-wired coax and cable. We now have a colored system that is easy to troubleshoot, is true plug and play for the end user. Great system. So they really either solve a pain point for the RVer that's been out there in the industry and nobody's addressed, or they make things better and easier to use. We've built a lot of value in with these innovations that you get in with other RVs. You don't get these innovations.
We are very proud of what we've been able to accomplish here with the million-plus trailers that we have built as Keystone RV. And then also some of the more recent changes and innovations that we've introduced. We're very excited about what those can mean for the industry and solving long-standing problems that have been there for quite a while.